Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get Prince Rainbow emote in Clash Royale. Firstly, open Clash Royale and tap on the shop icon at the bottom of the screen. Go to the emote section, and if the Prince Rainbow emote is available, you can purchase it using gems or gold. Some emotes are exclusive rewards for special events or challenges. Open the Events tab and see if any ongoing challenges offer the Prince Rainbow emote, and complete the objectives to claim the emote. Now, occasionally rare emotes are given as Clan War rewards. Participate in Clan Wars, reach the required tiers and check if the Prince Rainbow emote is included. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.